Hello everyone. Yeah, see you once again, huh? Yes. And today, now I try to showing to you how to use the Fusion 360 to modify of the last. Firstly, you have to scan your last to the STL file or OBJ file. Also, you can ask the last factory if they can send to you the last data of the STL or OBJ file. So when you get the STL or OBJ file, you can install to the Fusion 360. But before you insert to Fusion 360, you have to convert the mesh to quad mesh, because STL file, the mesh is triangle, and also OBJ file, the mesh are not the quad mesh. Triangle is the mesh is difficult to modify. No matter you use all kind difference of the software, it's not easy to do it. In my experience, convert to quad file is more easy to modify. And later on, I will show it to you. Okay? So, when I insert the 3D models to the Fusion 360, as you see in right now, see? That's the quad mesh. Okay, square. Okay, so I have to convert. I have to use that to convert to the T-spline. You see here. Okay, quad mesh to T-spline. You will get the result like this. You get the result like this, okay? So, how to convert in the top? Here, you see? Okay? When after convert to the quad mesh surface, like this, then so we can modify some part you need. Example like I am modify the toe, because the toe not really, little bit the small round toe. So I need to modify it to be bulky. Okay. So 40 mil, yes. Okay, maybe. I think 60 mil should be okay. And then so because in right now you didn't see how is I am you cannot see the truck how I am modified. And right now the screen you didn't see the truck how is to modify. But anyway, so in the later on I try to fix this problem and let you see all part and how to do it. Okay, and then you see many is all part of sweat. Mean is if we modify it's all part wet color, and you see it in the edge that parts is little bit pink. That means when I am modify, this part should be little bit more smoothly, but in the wet position should be more strong. Okay, so I showing you now. I just move forward. Okay, you see the problem is if I move forward in this part it's not smoothly. Okay, you see this part. So we have to reduce the width. You see, and the edge is white color. I expect to modify the area of the toe is red color. You see. So then even I push the toe a little bit more, but in the red color this part still keep as smooth as well. Okay, you see. That's very important things. You have to set up how which part of area you have to modify and which part you have to keep link up and smoothly. Okay, so we cancel. Okay, so example like another one things and example like I modifies the width. Okay, yes, okay, so see unsmooth, right? So we have to increase the area a little bit more. Yes, okay, yes. Oh, not enough. Oops. 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 Okay. But so I need to increase a little bit more. Okay, I think 80 should be better. Okay, so we modify to be a little bit more smoothly. Okay, like this or like this, but that's too much. I usually not like this, right? Okay, so I just simple to presentations of how is to modify of the last. Okay, so when after you modify, we have to convert to the solid body. Yeah, like this. Okay. Okay. Now you can see that's called mesh. The mesh, and then to called mesh, and then to solid body. Okay. Yes. It's very simple, right? I just take 5 minutes, 10 minutes to doing little bit modify. So after modify, we can export the file and then to printing out by 100%, you can get the real size new last of the 42. It's amazing, right? That's why 3D technologies help us to doing a lot of things and save time and save the money. Okay,